In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add horizontal lines on MetaTrader 5. Horizontal lines are one of the simplest but most useful tools you can use when analyzing a chart. They help you mark important price levels, such as support, resistance, or any area you want to keep an eye on while following market movement. If you're new to MetaTrader 5, don't worry, because this process is very straightforward and only takes a few moments. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 and select the chart you want to analyze. Make sure you're on the correct instrument and time frame before placing anything on the chart, since horizontal lines are usually used to highlight levels that matter to your specific setup. Taking a second to confirm you're on the right chart can save you time later. Once your chart is open, go to the menu bar at the top of the platform and click Insert. This menu gives you access to different drawing tools and chart objects that can help with technical analysis. From there, move to Objects and then choose Horizontal Line. This tells MetaTrader 5 that you want to place a fixed level across the chart. After selecting the Horizontal Line tool, click anywhere on the chart to place the line at the current price level. As soon as you click, the line will appear stretching across the chart from left to right. This makes it easy to compare price action against that exact level, both in the past and as new candles form. If the line doesn't land exactly where you want it, that's completely fine. To reposition it, simply click and drag the line to your desired price level. This is especially useful if you want to align it more precisely with a previous high, a previous low, or another key area on the chart. Moving it around until it sits exactly where you want can make your analysis much clearer. When placing horizontal lines, it helps to zoom in slightly if you need more precision. That way, you can position the line more accurately without guessing. These lines are often used as visual guides, so even a small adjustment can make your chart easier to read. And that's it. Once you know where to find the tool and how to move it, adding horizontal lines in MetaTrader 5 becomes a quick part of your chart analysis routine.